Hey everyone. All right. Well, today's Monday, the 28th, March 28th, and had another positive day today. I only took one trade, which is okay by me. That's just fine. Um, so we end up with let's see. Today we did uh, almost 2.5%, 2.28%. So I'm almost halfway there to targets on the account. And we just had one trade, or I say one trade, it was two, sorry, it was two trades, but on one pair, and I'll show you what happened. Um, and so let's take a quick look at that actually right now. So I think I did a video yesterday, yeah, I'm pretty sure yesterday, talking about this pair, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and how, actually, let me get my drawing tool. Give me 1 second, sorry about that. There we go. All right, so I talked about New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and I had been saying that I was looking at some of these sell indications from last week and expecting it to sell off. So that's pretty much what happened. So that's good. It's always good to validate kind of what you are expecting to see. And as far as the trades go, I basically was looking at this level right here. Again, I'm using the Frankfurt session, the first hour of the Frankfurt session, to kind of gauge which direction the market's going to go. And I'm looking for a close above or below. Now, I did see this close above, but I was expecting a downtrend or expecting it to go to sell off. And we all had all the indications that it was going to sell. So I just waited. Nothing happened at the Open of London. It wasn't until basically US session open that I kind of got involved right around here. So we'll take a look at that. All right, let's look at the account history. You can see there's two trades. And you can see the first trade right here I caught on this pullback. So you can see on this candle here, it closed below my level I was looking at. But I didn't jump in right away. I got like I've been saying, I need to be bit more patient, waiting for price to just pull back so that I'm not in so much drawdown. And that worked out perfectly. However, I saw some weakness, and I hopped down to the 5 minute, and I saw it was going to. I saw some reversal signals or buy signals, so I got out. I got a little antsy, and I was like, well, it's $50 or so. It's like, okay, I'd be happy with that. And then I saw on that same time frame, I saw another opportunity to get involved, in which I did. And this time, I had a better actually risk to reward profile, so I went ahead and just let this one run out. So all in all, it was like right around 25 pips. So that was good. Great. So that's that. And that got us up to 2.3% on the day or something like that. Excuse me, was that 1%? Let's see, it was yeah, about 2.3% on the day. So that's good. And overall, oh no, I'm sorry. It's almost 2.5% total for since Friday. So I'm halfway there, but daily, I don't know what my percentage was daily today. I guess it's about 1.5%. Oh, here we go. 1.25%. Sorry. So that 253 is 1.25% of the account. So that's good. Again, I kind of was thinking that if I just do 1% a day, that's a really good target to shoot for, taking it easy. I got plenty of time, even with losses. So if I'm only risking half a percent and I'm making 1% or more, that's very good in my opinion. So I'll be happy with that. Anyway, the only other thing I wanted to do was take a look at the kind of what I do for getting it into my MT4. So in my history, I'm just going to do for today. I just print out a statement to HTML and I copy it out. And I added the sell limit here just to kind of show a bit more about what I do in my Excel spreadsheet, because it's not perfect. So if I go to my Excel spreadsheet for phase 2, I use the sheet 3 here just to get it in. And then because what happens is this canceled order may be in the middle of the list or at the top of the list. So I just remove those out so that all I have left is a clean set of records. And then I can copy those into my scratch layer, which gives me basically for that session or that day my total. So you can see I got a total of 26 pips for $252. Then it's just a matter of copying out into my trade tracking sheet, which is pretty boring, of course. I just copy. I could probably set this up a bit better so I don't have to copy from different columns. But whatever. I don't really care. It's just something to do. All right. So I got the times in. Then I just copy the fees. And the fees are there because it helps me get a correct calculation and everything. My pips are calculated out for me from my formulas, and then I keep a running total, so I just copy those down, and my charts are connected to the pips total column and equity total columns. All right, and the last column I copy in is profit. Right, and get our profit totals, and there we go. And then the only other thing I have is drawdown, even though there was no drawdown, I didn't have any losses, so there we go. So I am 7-1, 80% win-loss ratio, 2.28% ROI. So as long as that matches this, what I'm seeing here, I know my calculations are right in my spreadsheet. So that's good. And at 20,455, so right around halfway there. So anyway, there we go. I wanted to vlog my spreadsheet, my journal, trade journal. I'm not going to do anything different. I'm just going to continue to pick and choose my trades wisely and not get greedy, because that trade actually did go really far, much farther. Probably could have got another, let's see, it went another 15 pips. Okay, not too bad. That's fine. I'm happy with that. Not be greedy, right? So it took 25 pips out of the market today. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that at all, especially on this pair. So anyway, there you go. That's that. Hopefully you guys are doing well, and good luck this trading week. Have a good one. Take care.